Today's tip is on using back orders. What is it? Why would I use it? And how do I use it? Hey there, Zack with Fast Tracks, back with another Fast Tracks fact. Today's tip is on using back orders. Conceptually, back orders are pretty straightforward. It's a feature that tracks what you ordered but didn't receive and adds them to the next order for that vendor. In practice though, there's a few moving parts and it can be confusing if you don't understand what's happening and, more importantly, why it's happening. The benefit of using back orders is fairly obvious. There are times when a vendor cannot fulfill your entire order, and when that happens, items not received won't be available to sell. And since you don't have them, they aren't being sold, and they aren't going to be triggered to be ordered again, leaving a void where you have to rely on an employee with a good memory or a clipboard to list and continually add the item to the next order. And we know how that song's going to end, and it's not good. So to properly use back orders, you must be creating orders and receiving those orders. Basically, the system needs to know what you ordered and marry that order to an invoice. So when receiving, make sure to tie the purchase order to the invoice. This can be done when receiving manually or via EDI. And while a lot of EDI invoices support this, meaning that they echo back the PO number in the EDI file, some require you to manually select the order before processing. So check your EDI format to see what you need to do. So to set up back orders, on each vendor you wish to track it on, enable Keep Track of Back Orders. This is done in the vendor details section. So once enabled, you'll see a back orders tab, and these will accumulate under inventory back orders. There's a couple of ways to push the back order items onto an order. This can be done on demand or automatically. If automatic, back order items are automatically added when an eligible order is created, and this is based on the location in the vendor. When using on demand, you'll see a button on the order details screen to add back order items. This will show a list of all eligible back order items where you can choose which ones to add and whether or not you want to append or replace the item if it's already on the order. While it's very simple to set up, it can be a very powerful tool to help automate your processes and keep items from falling through the cracks and forgotten about when they're out of stock. So hopefully this was helpful, and now you can get things back in order. See what I did there? Until next time, take care.